Hello there guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a good trailer in Anitales. Let's get to it. First you're going to need some words on the screen. For this tutorial, I'm going to recreate the Animovie trailer. Let's do this. So first you want to find the props section and go to the toys and symbols area. Then click the A on the left of the tab. It should bring you to the letters. Then insert some letters to the stage, then make some words with them. Okay, now that I have my letters, it's time to organize them. There we go. Now let's put in some scenes from the thing you're making a trailer about. Okay, now I've got the scene set up. Let's make this character say something. Why, hello there. Okay, now we've done the trailer scenes. Let's get to the final shot. Now put in the movie title at the top. Also, make sure your movie title has a creative name. Now, let's put down what it's rated for, below the movie title. Note, it has to be in all caps. Here's a tip. Group the rating together, then move it below the movie title if it's in order. Here's a tip. Group the movie rating and then move it under the movie title. Like so. The way you group it is, you go to the wrench in the top left, then click group. Then click on both of those items. Then you move the items below the movie title. Anyways, that's about it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to make a trailer, and I'll see you guys soon.
Super secret meeting at motel. Inform no one. I think we got him.